In Cocoa, Florida, a single bridge stands as the sole access point to a residential property. Beneath it lies a failing culvert, rusted and collapsing. With hurricane season looming, the risk of a catastrophic failure grows daily. A sinkhole has already formed above the culvert, highlighting the urgency of the situation. If the culvert fails, the bridge collapses, cutting off emergency access and isolating residents. Traditional repair methods are costly and time-consuming, risking further delays and disruptions. The potential impact on property value and safety is significant, making inaction a dangerous gamble. Compare $125,000 for traditional methods to $32,000 for Utility Asset Management's Trenchless solution. Utility Asset Management's method is completed in just 3 days, compared to weeks for traditional repairs, offering a 75 to 100-year lifespan. This innovative method strengthens the culvert from the inside out, ensuring long-term durability. No digging or tearing out is required, minimizing disruption to the community. By choosing Utility Asset Management, you're investing in a future where infrastructure is resilient and communities are safe. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Act now to secure your property and peace of mind. Utility Asset Management provides a proven, efficient, and reliable solution for infrastructure challenges. Their method not only saves money but also protects communities from potential disasters. Call Utility Asset Management to schedule your free consultation today. Together, let's protect our infrastructure and ensure a safer tomorrow for everyone.